Hello, lovely artists. Today you are going to paint a friend. We're going to make a portrait. A portrait is a painting of a person. I want you to look at the person next to you or near you and decide who you're going to paint. Okay, I'm going to start by painting. So we're going to look at the colors and I want you to pick the right color. So I'm going to start by painting a shape like this that looks a little bit like an egg. Okay, and I'm going to paint my egg shape in like this with my paint really carefully. Ooh, guess what? We need to paint a neck and some shoulders. So I'm just going to move this up a little bit so that you guys can see. Do you see how I've painted the neck and the shoulders for this person? So it goes almost to the edge of the paper like this. And you're going to use water in your brush. And you are going to paint this in really nicely like that. Okay. So we've got our head and we've got our neck. Okay, now I want you to add the ears on the side of the head, halfway across. Ask Miss Sarah to help you, okay? So we've divided our egg shape in half, do you see? And the ears are on either side. Woohoo! Okay, now that is going to have your name on it, and you're going to put that aside to dry. Okay, now we're going to need another piece of paper, and I want you to pick primary colors. Who can remember the primary colors? Yes, red, yellow, and blue. I want you to make a dot in the middle of your paper, and this is where we're going to start from. I'm going to draw lots and lots of different patterns on my paper. Look at this. Maybe I'll draw some lines going like that. Maybe I'll draw some more of these kind of squiggly shapes going round like that. Maybe I'll do some lines kind of going like this. You decide how you want to do this. There are lots and lots of different ways to fill your paper. Maybe I'll make some zigzaggy lines over here like that. Bring that down so you can see. Maybe I'll make even more zigzaggy lines like that. And oh, I'm going to make a snaky line like this. And I'm going to make more of these circular spirals over here. And I've decided I'm even going to make some kind of triangle shapes over here that fit in like that. And more of a kind of a squiggly line like that. Maybe a straight line over here. Maybe I'll make some more of these kind of circly things over here. Over here, I'm going to do a crazy pattern like this. Have a look at that. And I'm going to finish it with a squiggle going that way. Okay, so now what we're going to do is you're going to only use primary colors, okay? We're going to go over here to our paint set. And we're going to start painting in different parts. I decided that I want to paint this part with yellow. So I want you to put the paint on nice and thick so it comes out really bright. Use a different color to the oil pastel, okay? So you're not going to use the same color. I'm going to use a different color. So I'm using the blue because it makes the crayon pop out. Look at that. Ooh. That looks nice. And now we're going to go for some red. Let's put a little bit of red over here like that. You can mix this up any way you want. Put a little bit more blue over there like that. Maybe. I think I want to put some orange over here. Watch this. There we go. And I'm going to keep going, making lots and lots of different colors. Add some more color here. This I'm going to paint in with orange like that. And I'm going to use a darker blue over here. Ooh, look how that pops out. And I'm going to use pink. Yes, remember pink is a primary color, so we can use pink. We definitely can. Pink for this. And I'm even going to use a different pink over here like this. There we go. And maybe a little bit of orange for this one over here. There we go. And that's looking really nice. And I'm going to put a few stripy things like that. Okay, now we're going to put this aside and we're going to leave this to dry. Look how beautiful that looks.